Imagine downloading an AI model from a trusted platform, only to find out it has opened a backdoor for attackers. This is the reality of the Llama Drama vulnerability. A critical flaw has been discovered in a Python package used by AI developers, putting systems and data at risk of arbitrary code execution. The issue, tracked as CVE 2024-34359, was found by researcher Patrick Peng and reported by cybersecurity firm Checkmarx. The vulnerability is linked to the Ginger 2 template rendering tool and the Llama_CPP_Python package, which integrates AI models with Python. Llama_CPP_Python uses Ginger 2 for processing model metadata but failed to implement certain safeguards, enabling template injection attacks. Over 6,000 AI models on the Hugging Face AI community are impacted, meaning a harmless download could lead to system control by attackers. Checkmarx warns that this vulnerability can be exploited for arbitrary code execution on systems using the affected Python package. The good news is that the vulnerability has been patched with the release of Llama_CPP_Python 0.2.72, and developers must update their packages immediately. This incident is a stark reminder of the growing concern of AI-related vulnerabilities and the need for robust security measures. Stay vigilant, update regularly, and prioritize security to protect your systems and data from potential attacks. Remember, in the world of AI, security is paramount.